face lather and all the tips and tricks I have learned in the past, 6 months. So I'm going to really focus on a face lather. I'm going to be using Sterling Soaps Executive Man, and I'm just going to, use the puck that it comes with. So, and I'm using a Simpson synthetic T3 knot. I've been letting it soak, I don't know, for 30 seconds. I just, squeeze the knot out and I go in. And I'm just loading this thing up, and I'm just loading the tips. I'm not, I'm not pressing really hard. And it's dry. That right there is going to get me through my entire shave. All right, so I'm going to use Sterling Soaps, collapsible bowl. Love this bowl. It's perforated, really nice. All right, so what I'm going to do is put some warm water on my face. And that's all I generally do. If I bloom the water, meaning putting water in, in your puck, then I will put that on my face. But today, I elected not to do that. So anyhow, back into, I'm just going to start lathering this up. Now it's going to go on real thick and kind of dry, which is okay. With Sterling Soaps, you can apply a lot of water, and you generally have to apply a lot of water. So I'm just tipping the tips in, and I'm trying to get a lot of it out. Generally, in my shave videos, I'll face lather off camera. Reason being is, I face lather sometimes like 5-6 minutes, and that's a long time. But today you're going to see exactly how I've learned. And, and I've learned a lot from, you guys. You guys have given me a lot of tips. So again, I just went back in that water again. I'm going to apply some more water. It's getting there. Using circles to work it in, more water, to work it in to your skin. Yeah, it's getting there. Still a little dry. More water. What I'm learning is, if the soap or cream, shaving cream, whatever you're putting on your face, if it's on there for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, I notice, even if you're not even activating it, you know what I mean? I notice that, more water, I'm noticing that I'm getting a better, what do you call it? It's more slick. Not necessarily, poofy lather. I don't think you really need, a 1-inch lather. I mean, I want to be able to see my razor going through my face and not have to clean it after, an inch of a pass. So we're getting there. You add some more water to the tips again. Going every way. Some more water. Some more water. Trying to get it right where I want it now. Starting to pop. More water. Yeah, really starting to pop. Pretty much right where I want it right now. Paint your face, neck, paint it on there. You get a little bit more up here. All right, so, you know, what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna place this in my bowl. And you can see, you know, it's not that messy, that brush. All right, so first pass, I'm gonna go with the green. Try to get that angle. Okay, flip the razor. Okay, I'm gonna give it a rinse. All right. The neck, I'm gonna go with the green. My hair grows from my chin to my ears, below my cheek line right here. And then from here, it grows up. Okay. Now from here, my hair grows up. So I'm gonna go with the green. Concentrate on that angle. And one of the tips I have, like right here, I want to keep going up to here, and I'm always irritated through here. And that's because I go in where there's no shaving cream. So, you know, keep that in mind when you're shaving. I make that mistake all the time. So I'm gonna stop there, okay? Again, I want to keep going up where there's no shaving cream. That's where I mess up, and that's, you know, when I'm using an alum block at the end of my shaves, that's where I believe I'm getting my irritation. All right, let's go to the other side. Same thing, against the grain. All right. All right, flip it. Okay, around the nose. Now here I'm going to roll this. I'm going to roll this Rockwell 6C underneath my nose to line that in. Here you can kind of go straight, but right here is where you got to roll it. Okay. Now, I used to always get my lip underneath here, so I'm just going to use half of this razor right here. So, half the razor. Now I'm going to put more pressure, or I should say I'm going to hold this razor in my fingers, but my balance point's going to be half of this razor, okay? About that much. Okay, now from there what I do is I'll use a corner of this down here to edge this side in, and then on the opposite corner to edge that in. So I get nice straight lines. Here's how I do that. Pressing in with that corner, very lightly though. Okay, same thing on the other side. All right. Below the jawline over here, again, my hair grows from my chin to my ear. Flip the razor. Lower against the grain. Okay, flip it. Okay, again, I didn't go up here where there was no cream. That's how I get skin irritation when I shave. Quite a bit still left. I'm gonna lather up and do that all over again. So, pretty good first pass. I'm just gonna go back in. This brush is already loaded, my face is wet, so I'm just gonna start at it again. I had a perfect lather build up from the first pass. And I'm going to, work it just like I did the last time. Okay, adding more water. And for me, the second lather, where I need to focus is on my neck. Up top, not really. I need to get a good lather down here. More crucial. That's where more hair is left. So I do focus more of my time down here. Okay, start painting that on. Top, I'll get a little more on there. Okay, second pass against the grain. Now I'm going to go against it. And I'm going to backhand the razor. Okay. No pressure. I'm gonna go against the grain on my cheek line. Okay. Cross the grain neck. Same thing on this side. One thing you're going to want to focus on is that noise. You're getting audible feedback from this. You kind of want it to sound like you're buttering bread, or I should say buttering toast. That sound, and listen for it. Okay? When you can't hear that, you're either going to have to flip your razor or rinse it. down here with the grain, or I'm sorry, across the grain. All right, so across the grain, lower neck. Flip it. All right, again, you know, second pass, there's still some hair down here on my neck. That's okay, because pretty much this third pass is where I'm gonna get all that. As you can see, sterling soap, I mean, it's like I can even see the sheen of it. It's crazy how good this soap is. Again, I'm going to focus more down on my lower neck, or my neck, not lower, but whole neck. Put water in there, ream it out. Okay, so I can sit and lather this back up to, you know, something pretty huge, but right now I'm not going to do that. This third pass is quick, so I'm just going to go at it against the grain. Listen for that noise, buttering toast. Flip it. Okay, give that a rinse. Against the grain neck. Okay. Against the grain. Toast. That's what you want. Toast. Okay, against the grain. Lower. Wanted to keep going there over that and I stopped. All right, against the grain neck. Now on my neck, I'm using, like I'll use this half of the razor on this side of my Adam's apple, right? And the opposite over here. Keep that in mind when you're shaving. So what I mean is don't take it straight on. Ooh. Yeah, you know, especially if you're having a hard time, you know, cutting your Adam's apple. Kevy shaves, he actually swallows and he, you know, his Adam's apple goes in, and also whatever works for you. All right, so you know, great shave. On a number 2 plate, it's the first time I've used that number 2 plate with a Rockwell. A little bit right here, a little bit over there. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna touch it up, but my face in about 15-20 minutes, when my body goes back down to normal temperature, my hairs go back into my skin. Right now they're popping, because I just shaved and my face was warm. Just got out of the shower. I'm warm. So yeah, that's how it works for me. So I'm gonna go in with an almond block. I just wet it down and I go for it. This is gonna tell you where your skin is agitated. I don't feel any stinging up top. Nothing down there. Nope. Maybe a hint down here. Yeah, I mean, that was a really good shave. I did take my time, and I think that makes a big difference, taking my time. All right, and I've had a lot of you guys say take your time. And, the shaving community out here is great. I don't know if you guys have ever commented down below, but, a lot of guys give me tips and tricks, and, this channel is 4%, or not 4%, 6% of the people watching this are women. So, women are even using safety razors, I'm sure, on their legs and bikini line. But yeah, that was a good shave. So I let that sit on my face for a minute, then I'm gonna go in and rinse it off. Then I go in with Nivea shaving balm. I enjoy it. Good stuff, inexpensive. Rub that in. Okay, what a good shave. I hope those tips and tricks helped you out, and how I face lather, from what all of you guys in this community have showed me. And thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, please like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.